And it'll fly right out of your hand. So Kyle, this is probably the plane I should have had you throw for me the first time. Oh. It wants to go right, but I have no more stick trim left because I forgot to zero all my control surfaces before my flight.
Is that full speed?
That's full speed.
3 minutes.
Pretty quick.
So this is a 5x5 pitch prop that has 3 blades on it.